Hey everyone, welcome back to Hacker Society. If you are passionate about ethical hacking and cybersecurity, then you are in the right place. So, today we are diving into the world of password cracking by creating custom word list using some tools like Crunch. So, I will give you an overview of the topic and then we'll start practical demonstration. So, first we will see what exactly are custom word lists. So, in the context of password cracking, word list is a file containing a list of potential passwords. So, these lists are used in brute force attacks where each password in the list is tried until the correct one is found. Custom word lists are tailored to specific targets, making them more effective than the generic lists. So, why we use custom lists? So, custom word lists are more efficient because they are based on specific information about the target, like the common words, then the phrases, or the patterns which the target might use. So, this increases the chances of cracking the passwords quickly. So, now we will see the tool which we are going to use today for creating the custom word list, that is Crunch. So it is one of the best tool for creating custom word list. Crunch is a word list generator that allows you to create word list with specific patterns, character sets and length. It's highly customizable and perfect for targeted attacks. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to Hacker Society. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on our amazing content. Alright, let's get hands on with Crunch and create a custom word list. First, we need to install Crunch. So, if you're using Kali Linux, Crunch comes pre installed. If not, you can install it using the command apt get install Crunch. So here Crunch is pre-installed. Once you have installed that, then you can verify it by typing the command Crunch in this terminal. So you can see the version of Crunch is given. So it's pre-installed. So now we will see how to use this to create a word list. So the basic syntax for Crunch is Crunch. Then we have to enter the minimum password length. So we'll enter here 6. Then the maximum password length 8. And then some options. So we will create a simple word list with the password lengths I have given here, that is 6 to 8, and we will use lowercase letters. So just type and then -o wordlist.txt. So this command will generate a word list with all the possible combinations of the characters which we have given here from A to Z, and it will save this file to wordlist.txt. -o means output file. So output file name is wordlist.txt. So the word list will be get saved in this txt file. So as you can see, here it is given Crunch will now generate the following number of lines. So the word list is being created now. So this will take time. So we'll see another command for Crunch. So now we will see how to generate the password list using patterns. So Crunch allows you to use patterns. For example, if you want to create a word list where the first two characters are fixed and the rest are variable, then you can use the following command. So crunch, then the minimum password length and maximum password length, then -t option to create a word list where the first two characters are fixed. So the first two characters will be AB, then just type @ and save it to patterns.txt, pattern lists.txt. So here AB is fixed, and the @ it represents that variable characters. So as you can see, crunch is now generating the password list. So if you want to see this list, then just type cat pattern lists.txt. Enter. So this is the password list, custom word list, which is generated by Crunch. And as you can see, we have set the fixed characters, that is AB, and after that the 4 characters were variable. So the fixed characters are here and the password length is 6. So in this way you can create the custom word list using the patterns option. So now we will see some different advanced options. So Crunch has many advanced options. For example, if you can limit the duplicate characters using -d option. So like Crunch, then maximum password length, minimum and maximum, then the characters, then -d option 2, then the output file name, so this command ensures that no character is repeated more than twice in a row. So -d option is used to limit the duplication, and 2 means only 2 times in a row the character can be repeated in the password list. So now the Crunch is generating the output for this command. So we have covered the basics of creating custom word list using Crunch. The custom word lists are a powerful tool in password cracking, and Crunch makes it easy to generate them. So if you are interested in live ethical hacking training, we have got you covered. Just check out the form linked in the description below. We'd love to sharpen your skills and take your knowledge to the next level. Thanks for watching.